of the issues we ran into with implementing these cobots is, so we had 5 engineers programming robots and 3 different styles. It was tough to go back and figuring out what that code was. What we did to fix that is we started enforcing standardized ways to code the cobots. By doing that, when I go and sit in front of a cobot now, I have a template. I just plug away that template. Repeatability is the #1 killer for cobot operation. Through the generations of the ASRS, that was one of the key things we had to always go back to is when I pull this tray out, is this tray gonna be in the same position as the next tray? And so through these generations, we were to refine that process and get this to be as repeatable as possible. So we had to make sure this can truly run without any supervision. If it does run into a problem, that's why you gotta link the cobot e-stop to the CNC machine, because if one of them faults out, you wanna make sure everything's stopping. A huge win as far as making sure these cobots are efficient. Stack up 17 trays, have those trays automatically cycle in front of the cobot. We've seen half a day, 24 hours work time of constantly keeping that machine fed.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.